Hello there. This is a land snail. You can find it anywhere in Cambodia. So much of them here. Doesn't anyone knows how to use it for any kinds of foods? If you know how to cook this, you can find it everywhere in Cambodia. Lots of meats, you see. It's a land snail. Really lots of them. You can find it easily in Cambodia, and many Cambodians do not know how to use it for any types of foods. We can only throw it away. We don't like them because they eat our vegetables and plants around our house. So I think we need to throw them away, and sometimes we have to kill them, spray the poisons to kill them, because we don't know how to use it. If anybody knows how to use it, and if they are having any other advantages, please tell us, and we will follow and pick them up, and at the same time we can actually take them away from our plants and vegetables as well. Really big, see, lots of meat inside. Really lots of meat.